JR Express bus service is a convenient and affordable way to travel from Tokyo to Narita Airport. Just go ahead to JR Express bus office at Tokyo Station. The ticket is only 1,500 yen or 573 pesos only. May ticket na tayo papuntang Narita Airport. Tapos doon lang yun sa bus number 70. Einstein bus by Tokyo. Thank you so much, Tokyo. And ayun, alas 11 umalis yung bus. Then every 10 minutes may bus na dumadating papuntang Narita Airport. So you don't need to worry na malate kayo. Pero make sure na yung schedule nyo sa airport ay magtutugma. After an hour, dumating na ako sa Terminal 3. Ayan. Saan yung dito? Departure yun. Riot na.